Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a Python program which identifies whether the given side lengths form a triangle or not. Okay, so we're gonna learn how to write that program. Okay, so let me open up Visual Studio Code first. So this much is good for you. Okay, so the first thing is creating variables for the side lengths. So A is going to be int input, enter the first side length. So A represents here the first side length, B will be equal to int input, enter the second side length. So that's the second side length. C will be equal to int, this is the last one, input, enter the last side length. Okay, so these are the side lengths here of the triangle, and based on the side lengths we have to identify here whether those are of a triangle or not. Okay, so it's pretty easy. We're gonna use if statement here, or conditional. Okay, so it's gonna be a little use of mathematics. So if you have A plus B equal to C, meaning the length, the addition of these two, okay, A and B, if that exceeds C and all the other combinations like B plus C is greater than A, and another one, and the last combination, which is C plus A, okay, or A plus C, whichever that you want to write, A plus C, if that exceeds B, okay, so all the possible combinations are there. If those exceeds the side lengths, then print here, this forms a triangle. This forms a triangle. Okay, so if it doesn't fulfill that condition, then it means that this is not a triangle. Okay, meaning it doesn't form a triangle. This doesn't, doesn't form a triangle. This doesn't form a triangle. Okay, so as easy as that, easy peasy. Okay, so it was as easy as that. Now it's time to test this program or run it. Okay, so let's see how this goes. So here we have it. Okay, so this is ready. So enter the first side. Let's suppose the side is 9, another one is 8, 7. Okay, so this forms a triangle. So I have enter these randomly. Okay, so now let's test for the next one. I mean, when it's not a triangle. Let's say 9, second is 13, third one is 7. Okay, so this was, again it forms a triangle. So let me think the combination. Because 9 plus 7 is 16, which is greater than 13. So let's write here 9 plus, again, 12. 1. This doesn't form a triangle. Okay, so this was the case when it doesn't form a triangle. So I hope you have learned something. Okay, you have learned something new, and this was it for today's video. See you in the next video.